So now we have another student. First, you let know what your name is. Asa Kumar. What class do you read? Come near. You read in class 8. Okay. Do let me know how many months have you completed here? 5 months you have completed. Okay. So what do you think? Your English is being improved? Improved. And 5 months you have completed. Within 5 months you have got to know a lot of things in English. So have you remembered everything? And do you practice daily in school and at home? Okay. When you meet your friends, those who read here, so do you talk in English? Okay. Do you use English in school with the teachers and with another student?
I talk to my friends.
Those who read here. Okay. And apart from this, what do you use? I mean, for example, if you want to say book, so do you say book or kitab? Book. Okay. With any student and the teachers, any teachers and students, this kind of thing. Not only your friends, but also your other friends and teachers as well. Do you do? Okay. Do you remember all the what palm medicine? Okay. Or name all the doctor.
If you ask me about all the doctors name, first gynecology, obstetrician, pediatrician, dermatologist, then after podiatrist, dermatologist, neurologist, psychiatrist.
Okay. What school do you read? I mean, Hindi medium school or English medium school?
I read in Hindi medium school.
Hindi medium school. Okay. So since you from Hindi medium school, you are speaking English well. So can you talk anywhere in English? Okay. With anyone? With anyone? Okay. So can you understand English? Okay. Do let me know what what do you think if someone comes here, so can they learn English? If someone joins institute, so can they learn English? Of course, yes. Why? Because here, where we have another kind of what environment. So if, those who will come and anybody who will come here, so definitely will learn and definitely will get to learn a lot of things, because here we have created different kind of environment, so that you may acquire your knowledge and you may improve your English as well, because here we have every student, and every student has capability and potential to train you, because I also train you, and apart from I, other students also train you, because here those who will read here become trainer, because if you join here, so and after you, if someone joins you, so you will become a trainer of that particular student. So if you want to improve your real English, just join this institute. If you are from any Dhekaha, so do join this institute and improve your English. Okay. My next question is to you. Every subject do you read in Hindi? And still you are speaking English well. So what do you think? After 10th, will you change your medium or will you keep continue with Hindi? I will change my medium after 10. Okay. So what do you want to become in your life? I want to become an IAS officer. Okay. So for IAS officer, UPSC exam you have to appear. So what medium would you like to go? I would like to go with English medium, because English medium students, the possibility of English medium students is very higher than Hindi medium students, because if you see top 10, top 20. So mostly English medium students are there. Okay, okay, thank you. Go.